National President ke National People's Party NPP bat Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke Sangma haka kharwitrik rempang ulah Hiar le ialap eleksyon sya Nongstoin ban pan jingkynnoh ya ukurtong ka parti uba adresser marngar na kebenta ka eleksyon sya ka Khas Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC kabanlong haka arpoitrik rempang. Haki jingkynnoh Conrad ula kyntu ki paidbah bakim dei ban ngop haki jingkynnoh ba lamler jong ki seng sain perthei baper ki ba kentho lamler bat persyang ban penpriang ya ki jingtip ba bakla henrei ban ai ki jingkersyan ka barat ba ya ka parti NPP ka basen syar ya ka jela. Shibun ki jingkynnoh kin mi haka por election henrei hadian balakun ki paidbah sa shisin part kin ya keren biang halor ka roi ka par ka kamai ka kaji bat ki jingkersyan ki baki don kam ong ukonran haba benrap da keboong ka parti jongi ka doni ke jingbun pat e hapo ka yingdor par thau an haba kedo halor ki jingkular jong ka parti NPP na ka benta ka bha kamiat bat ka roi ka par jong paidbah chief minister uloong ki babuan kin ya ai kam bat klei ki jingkular hakasan perthei henrei ngidon hangni ban syakri ya paidbah bat ban wanra ya ka roi ka par kani kadi kata ka kam haka sensyar khadar balai bangin pelek jimun iki jingkynnoh bom don nongrim namar hadian ke election kito ki bakeno kin syuja arngai haringkat ki jingkular jongki kata kadai ka banja hadian ka arp sautrik rumpang.
I won't take much time and I'll be very, very brief and very specific. First, we have to remember that in any election, there will be different members from different families, different villages, different polling stations, who will support different candidates of different political parties. And different political parties will come and try to brainwash all of us with different issues, try to bring up different agenda, will try to give all kind of lecture against different political parties. And there'll be a lot of heat in the election. But when election is over and all the dust settles down, people will again talk about development. People will talk about livelihood. People will talk about different kind of help that they require in different times. And that is why, no matter what propaganda people will bring during the election campaign, please remember that when election is over, nobody else will come. And you will have to sit down and think about the development of your village. You will have to think about the personal help and support you require at the village level.
We never lose hope when we have travel around the different villages in the constituencies. Under the Nongstoin constituency, we feel that we have a hope. Sir, I want to tell you that our leaders from the different wings, this means both the men's wing, women's wing, and the youth wing also went to the people with humbleness and love. So that's why we get a hope. Di nagabanta jungilan morokoy nasngaw ban aingo yublay baulala ban penpoy yang ilang kumni kumang ilong mentar sngi kani ga jimpoy lan ga jungi kruy kumni lalu ki long kpang ki longmi bat isamna kapen I yangi bangidon ka jingya tuli ka wei batani ka jingya tuli ka jongi na ka Nongstoin constituency kapen iru ya ka dak jong ka jingya tuli jong ka jai penriu khasi ka jongi bangidon kini ka artri ki parti bahat mentangi larang kawe kadur haka MPP
Hak